So the title of our report of this game is Black Blast.
My name is Dison Marchite.
My name is Isidro Siberbano.
My name is Mark Anthony Herudias.
My name is Mark Morcilla.
My name is Jay Bartonico.
My name is Anjo Marticulot.
The continuation of our explanation, the algorithm of falling black blast begins by initializing a 2D grid that represents the game area with a defined height and width. A single block is placed at the top of the screen in the middle column. The program enters a continuous loop where the screen is repeatedly cleared at redrawn to show the falling block at its new position.
This loop runs repeatedly until the player presses X inside the loop. Draw board show the update map, handle input, check for movement, update block, makes block fall, sleep 200, slow down game speed.
The game keeps running until the player presses the X key, which is end the loop and display the final score. This sequence creates an illusion of motion and acceleration for the basic logic of the game. So that's all my explanation.
Draw boards. The function of draw boards: draw the whole game screen. Update block. The purpose of update block: moves block downward plus handles bottom collision. Handle input. The purpose of handle input: moves block left, right, and handles exit. And main. The purpose of main: controls full game loop.
This is a explanation of introduction to the game. Falling Black Blast is a simple 2D console-based game made using C++. In this game, a colored block continuously falls for the top of the screen. Toward the bottom, the player can control the movement of the block by pressing the A key to move left or the D key to move right. Each time the block successfully reaches the bottom, it resets at the top in a random position and the player earns 10 points. The game continues endlessly until the player presses the X key to exit. Though the exit only text-based graphics, it mimics the gameplay of 2D falling block game, allowing players to enjoy a fun and fast-paced experience directly from the
Each iteration of the loop performs three main actions: checking for players' input, iterating the block position, and displaying the game board. If the player presses E or D, the block moves left or right respectively, and if the block reaches the bottom of the grid, the score increases and the block restarts from the top at a random horizontal position.
That's all, and thank you. Woo! Tabang